Students. I'm back with a new topic under the chapter Globalization in the Indian Economy. And today's topic is interlinking production across country. In general, MNCs set up production where it is a close to the market, where there is a skilled and unskilled laborers available at low cost, and where the availability of other factor of production is assured. So in addition, MNC might look for the government policies and look after the interest. So we will read more about the policies later in this chapter. So in this slide, we are going to study about the interlinking production across the country. How the production across the country, how the MNCs accommodate all the things. In general, we can say that MNC set up production where it is a close to the market and where there is a skilled and unskilled laborers available at low cost and where the availability of other factors of production is ensured. So where only these all areas are chosen by the MNCs to set up their industries. So having assured themselves of these conditions, an MNC set up factories and offices for their production. What is the meaning of foreign investment? This is a key word of this chapter, foreign investment. The money that is spent to buy asset such as land, building, machines and other equipments is called investment, and the investment made by the MNCs is called foreign investment. Any investment is made with the hope of these assets with earn profit, and this is called the foreign investment. That means the investment made by the MNCs. MNCs, how the MNCs work with the local companies. In our book, one example is there. Most common route for the MNC investment is to buy up local company and then expand production. The example, to take an example, Cargill Food, a very large American MNC, has bought over the smaller Indian companies such as Parikh Foods. Parikh Foods had built a large marketing network in a various part of India where its brand was well reputed. So also Parikh Foods had a 4 oil refineries whose control has now shifted to Cargill. Cargill, one of the MNC company. Cargill is now the largest producer of edible oil in India with a capacity to make a 5 million pouches daily. Just to see that how these small company is become a largest producer with the help of Cargill MNC company. In fact, many of top company MNCs have wealth exceeding the entire budget of the developing country's government. With such enormous wealth, imagine the power and influence of these MNCs. What are the advantages to the local companies to do the work with MNCs? Number one, the joint production in two folds. MNC can provide additional investment like buying new machines for faster production. MNC might bring them a latest technology. MNC invest it to buy up local companies and then expand production. Large MNCs in developed countries place order for production with small producers like a garment, footwear, etc. The products are supplied to the MNC, which then sell these under their own brand name to the customer. A very good example of our country. In the women of Ludhiana, they made the football for the MNC companies. This is a handmade products. When the MNCs are give the brand, these the little invested things are become a branded thing. The MNC have a tremendous power to determine price, quality, delivery, and the labor condition for these distinct productions. The next topic is how these local producers interacting of MNCs. Number one, by setting up partnership with local companies, by using the local companies for supply, by closely competing with local companies or buying them. MNCs are exerting a strong influence on production at their distinct locations. As a result, production in these widely dispersed location it getting interlinks. We are taking the example of Parik food and also the example of women of Ludhiana, those who have made the football for MNCs. Thank you. I will be back with the new topic. Thank you. Thank you so much.